our mom and dad will sleep. And there's a TV. It says here, Bayani J.R. Rodriguez, which is my dad's name. Didn't say that. And I thought this was real, but it was just a painting.
You press the okay. What will happen next?
Okay.
What's that?
I think I know this. Come here.
Just the overview of the hotel.
Yeah, it's just the overview.
Oh, that is.
Come here.
What's inside? I'm scared. Wow! Wow! Sweet talaga ni Mayor!
That's
Thank you! I love you!
Complimentary yan.
Complimentary. Nakatipid ka na naman. Pinalagyan mo lang ng pangalan.
Hindi, wala talaga yan. Pero since anniversary, binigyan tayo.
Okay. Sarap talaga, no? Lahat na lang libre. And then, our dining table. Dapat pala nagdala ako ng adobo eh.
Over here is the kitchen. We have our counter. My mom wants something like an island in our dream house as well. And there's a bar still like that. And I think this is where my mom is gonna be staying. And look,
Yeah, there's a free
there's some
snack.
Pringles. And then maybe there's a fridge here. I don't know where the fridge is. Oh, here. Here's the fridge. There's chocolate, but I don't think that's like.
Yeah, we are complementarian.
That's complimentary.
I know.
Okay.
No.
Yay, that's some chocolate. And then, let's go straight to the bathroom. And
Asan yung room?
big like there is a big bathroom. They give complimentary toiletries, and then we have a shower.
Okay.
Floss. Now let's go to the bedroom. I think you'll really like the bedroom. Here is the bedroom! Dun, 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 dun. Turn on the lights. Oh. I don't know where's the lights, but this is our bedroom. Me and my brother's bedroom. So we have right here, like the flowers. See? Like the flower bedding. And then we have another TV. And we have a little desk. I think this is where I'm going to be spending most of my time drawing. So I really like this effect, like you know the one in Hogwarts where
Yeah.
Hagrid's like that, and there's like a secret wall, the diagonal. Yeah, I really like that. And over here we have the curtain, and once we open it, we have a view.
What's outside?
Yeah, what's outside?
It's a garden
Yeah, the
view.
garden, and there's like a little path.
Okay.
So guys, right over here, this is where we put our luggage and then our shoes. And our closet, there's a safe here, and then a bathroom. I think I'm gonna be using that and some other stuff. So guys, this is the Palms Hotel. So hopefully we can do a video of us going to the playground later. I'm super excited, and I'm really excited. I'm so excited. I don't know what to say again. But I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.
You're always excited.
Yeah, I'm always excited.
Do you like the room?
Yeah, I really like.
How do
this
you
one.
find it?
I find it big,
What else?
like a house. You know?
Yes.
And
It's bigger than our house.
no, it's not big.
It's bigger in our house.
But there's
See?
only one room.
It's only one room. Yeah, because our house has 2 rooms.
Yeah.
That's why.
And I really like this thing.
Which one is better? Do you like this with the other hotels that you have been?
I like
you've stayed?
this one because
You
it's
like
big.
this one? It's big.
And
Okay.
it's nice.
Later we will go around the facilities so that we'll enjoy.
Our
stay
staycation.
here.
Happy anniversary and happy birthday to Samantha.
Whose anniversary?
My mom and dad.
Okay.
And Samantha's my dog.
How many days are you going to stay here?
3 days and 2 nights.